we're gonna use the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Pomade.
So it's buildable.
I'm using light ivory. This is in the LA Color concealer. I'm just gonna put this all over my lids so we can go ahead and do our eyeshadow. This Maybelline Soda Pop. Let's grab it all here. So grabbing that. Then I'm gonna go in with this color, Cola Float. This really makes me want a cola float. And even though the colors that she had on her lid were very cool tone, she had a warmer color in her crease. I'm gonna go in with Root Beer, which is a very cool tone dark brown, and just apply that right in the outer corner. Wow, these eyeshadows blend so nicely. I'm very surprised. These two colors together and mix them. So this one and this one to get more of a silvery shade, because this one's more taupey. And she had more of like, she definitely had like a taupey silver shade on her lids. So we're gonna do that. This is the Aloe Leaf and Chamomile Extract by, this is Aloe. And I'm gonna just spray my brush and pick up those eyeshadows again. Just to wet them and really carve out that cream. Yep, just like that. Let's see. This is cute, sis. This is cute. Okay. Okay. Cute. These are my favorite, holy grail. Kiss lashes are everything. Oh my God, I just love them so much. But I got the style Midnight because Katy definitely had more of a cat eye thing going on. So I'm gonna take, I didn't even smell this. Oh wow, guys, this smells so good. It's on this Real Technique brush, Drugstore. And just spray it just so I don't get it on my hair. And this is the calming one with aloe vera. And then this is a new one that I bought. This is the CoverGirl True Blend Base Business Skin Primer. So for foundation, I bought the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I bought the shade 500. I'm sure that it's gonna be dark, but I'd rather it be darker than too light. You feel me? Use this Luxy Beauty. Ooh, this is watery. Oh my God, I'm so lucky I did not get this on my hoodie. Wow, so I was watching all the YouTubers and they said that this had a really strong fragrance, and it sure does. So I never break out, and I'm hoping that this doesn't break me out because it definitely covers my dark areas in this area. I like that. I want to see you bust down with that LA color. And remember, this is in the color light ivory. It is very light for me, but it shall be alright. This concealer is so nice. Goodness. brightens me super nicely. So I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This is in the shade 20 Light Medium. I'm taking this powder. Oh, there's a nice shade. I thought it was gonna be too dark. It's a nice powder. This is Gilded Glow. Fit Me powder. I'm just going to try to contour.
Kidnapping, carjacking, or arson. I had to stop at 9 on account of your handicap.
The Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. This is the Golden Flower Crown Highlight. Oh wow, that's so pretty. Wow, guys, this is so soft and so pretty. Wow. I'm gonna try to take this color right here in the palette. All right, so now taking the NYX Lingerie in Dusk to Dawn. Katy had like a peachy lip, so. Oh, this is the perfect color. Wet n Wild Fine Fines Pro Line Felt Tip Eyeliner in the color dark brown, so I can go over my beauty marks.